Today, I'm going to show you how to block spam emails on Gmail in a simple and clear way. First, go to Gmail and log into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, open one of the spam emails you want to stop. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the email. From the menu, select Block, followed by the sender's name. This will automatically send future emails from that address to your spam folder. Another useful method is to click the Report Spam button at the top of the email. This helps Gmail learn and improve its spam filtering system. If you want more control, go to the settings by clicking the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you can create a new filter. Enter specific keywords, email addresses, or domains. Then choose the action, delete it or mark as spam, to automatically block those emails in the future. And that's it. Now you know how to block spam emails on Gmail quickly and effectively.